first hint of electromagnetic waves to scientists was unexpected. They found a connection between the electric phenomena and the velocity of light. A brilliant young Scotsman by the name of James Clerk Maxwell solved the riddle of a wave that does exist and travels through space. He said that electric equations were missing one more term that would represent an electric current which could travel through space. Electromagnetic waves do not require any medium. These waves also transport energy through space. They can also transport momentum, but the momentum of an object changes if a force is acting on it. Electromagnetic waves are formed by a vibration of an electric charge. This charge creates both electric and magnetic components. The electromagnetic waves transport energy through a vacuum, which in this case will be space.
We'll talk about the EM spectrum and how it relates to nuclear weapons. And the primary type of waves that are emitted by nuclear weapons are gamma radiation, which are electromagnetic waves released during radioactive decay that can ionize atoms and split chemical bonds. Radiation is an energy that is emitted by some source and travels through space. This includes things such as light, sound, and heat. The radiation typically referred to when discussing nuclear weapons or nuclear energy is ionizing radiation, which comes from unstable atoms. To become stable, unstable atoms emit radiation in the form of particles such as alpha and beta radiation, or in the form of electromagnetic waves such as gamma radiation and X-rays. Alpha radiation, consisting of helium nuclei that are discharged by radioactive disintegration of some heavy elements, including uranium-238 and radium-226 and plutonium-239. Beta radiation is radiation consisting of electrons or positrons emitted from atoms at speeds approaching the speed of light.
Since there is no air in a vacuum, only electromagnetic waves travel through space. The energy density in the electric and magnetic field in a vacuum is the same at any instant in time and position in space. The speed of a wave depends on the properties of the medium. Electromagnetic waves are not mechanical waves, they are transverse waves. Since an electric field is perpendicular to the direction of propagation, this makes EM waves transverse. Electromagnetic waves are created when free electric charges accelerate or when electrons bond to atoms and molecules make transitions to lower energy.
Electromagnetic waves in the spectrum involve waves from high to low frequencies. There are gamma waves, X-rays, ultraviolet, infrared, microwaves, and radio waves. The waves with the highest frequencies, such as gamma waves, can help cancer patients. Gamma waves ionize cancer cells by killing them through the form of radiation. Normal cells attach to the cancer cells, breaking down the DNA of the cancer cells and dividing due to the exposure of gamma wave radiation in the cells. There are two types of radiation which involve gamma waves. The first one is photon radiation, which ionizes cells by disturbing the atoms and electrons it contains and destroying their molecules. not able for the cells to produce and make new ones. The second one is particle radiation, which target the nuclei of the cell, killing the cell's center. Scientists have experimented with frame head placements, which are helmets made of aluminum. The gamma rays are targeted to the affected areas, which use also gamma knives.